Hey guys, it's Lydia here from LE 3D Printing, and today I'm going to be designing and printing this simple little wall hook. So let's get started. Alright guys, so for the past couple days I have had lots of things hanging around and laying on the floor, and I decided I need some kind of hook, and I wasn't just going to go on to Thingiverse and look up one. I really just wanted to create my own just for the fun of it on Fusion 360. So I did that, and this is what I came up with. I will show you guys how I designed that. It was pretty simple. It wasn't very difficult to design. And then I printed it out, and I actually have one over here on the other side of this table that is holding up my backpack, and then I'm hanging up a couple more for my work jacket and some other things. But just want to show you guys that this is a simple little thing to fix in your house. Something simple you can design and print right away and use. So this is very useful print, and let's hop on the computer and I'll show you guys really quick how I designed this. Alright guys, so I'm just going to show you down here on this bar basically the simple steps that it took for me to just design this really good looking and simple wall hook. So first I just sketched out a normal hexagon, and then I extruded it, I believe 6 millimeters, and then I started to draw a circle. I believe it's on the back here. I drew just a simple circle. We can go into this. It's just a 10 millimeter circle, and then a little rectangle up here that is 4 millimeters thick. Not really sure how tall it is, but this was just a little reference of where I could put in the screw, and I'll show you guys later what I do with that, because it doesn't like really fit. Once the screw goes up here, it won't go anywhere. So I heat up the screw with my heat gun and just meld it through there so it's customizable to any screw you use. So after I did that, I just designed just a little tube down here, and this was the hook part. Let me zoom out. And I wanted to have a little end part where it could stop, so I used this plane right here, and I designed this, just extruded it down, and to make it a lot nicer, I extruded this back so that it was flat, so it'll be simpler to print with supports. And then just to clean it up and make it look a lot nicer, I added some chamfers and a fillet here and some chamfers around the side just to make it look a lot nicer. Alright, so as you can see, this is the orientation that the print is printing in, and I'll just put up this other one. This is what it looks like. So there's support underneath there, and it comes up super easy, just a simple print. And it takes about, I think, 15 minutes to print one, and again it is 25% infill, so it's pretty strong. And this is what the back looks like, and now I'll show you guys just how I make the screw fit. Alright, so to make the screw fit, now I just have one of these simple strong wall screws. Not really sure what the name of it is, but I will take a pair of pliers. I guess I'll just use these ones for now. I'll just hold this and then start heating it up with the heat gun, and I think I need like 30 seconds of heating it up. Okay, so it's heated up enough, and now I just put it in the back here and hold it with the pliers and basically melt the plastic by pulling down on the hook and pushing up with the screws. So it's not hot enough, so I'm just going to heat it up a little bit more. Okay, so let's try this again. Just put it in the normal hole and pull it up. Now, it's a little hard to do with these pliers. You just gotta slowly do it, and I'll show you guys up close. So like, as you can see, it's melting its way through, and if it stops, then it just means you're cooled down, so then you have to keep heating up. But it's a simple process just to get it melted and fit perfectly. So as you can see, I got it up there. Now to make sure it doesn't get stuck, you want to like move it around after you get it to the top where you want it, just so when you screw the screw in the wall, you can just slip this on, and it's simple. So as you can see, now it's stuck, and there we go. There's our hook. Now we just have to find the stud in the wall and start screwing this in. Alright, so as you can see over here, I have a hole already halfway drilled, so I'm just going to screw it in all the way. Well, not all the way, just enough so that the hook sits flush on the wall. So you're just going to put the screw in the big hole and it'll slide right up. Just like that. And there's our hook. So now we can hang the jacket. Just like that. Simple, easy, 3D printed hook. Alright guys, so that is it for today's video. I really hope you enjoyed this video. I know it was a little different from what we usually do on here, but I just want to show you that 3D printing can be used for many different things, even fixing things at home, like this problem I had with too many things on the floor that I could just hang up. I hope you guys enjoyed the Fusion 360. I know it wasn't a live build, but I hope you got something out of that and you can make your own just like mine. And you guys can customize yours when you make it on Fusion 360. Do it however you want. You can share your designs with me on Instagram. I'll leave my Instagram down below in the description. I would really like to see what you guys come up with and how your hooks look. Again, I hope you guys like this video, and I hope to see you in the next one. Bye.